Yo, the police are out tonight. What the hell? I'm talking, it is completely burnt tonight. We don't even need gas. I want to check my headlights, because I think one of my lights is out. Oh no, we're good. Okay. It still surprised me to this day at how much attention this car gets. Crazy, crazy. But that gas station lighting. Oh, yo, I should have took some pictures at the gas station. I'm tripping. We'll go to this gas station real quick. Real quick, before the phone dies, because my phone is like near death. Yeah, every time I'm out and about, I just never seem to take pictures. We're gonna take some pictures today. Y'all know we gotta take some pictures. Yo, look at this lighting, bro. I think we got enough pictures. Enough videos? Don't think so. Let's get home. It's late. It is hot tonight, bro. I'm telling you. Police are out. We are gonna get arrested. It's gonna be a night. At least the car looks good. Low washer fluid is crazy, bro. What do you mean low washer fluid? still have fun. Still having fun. Don't even worry about it. Y'all didn't see, but there was a cop right in the median. I'm telling you, I would have gotten my ass got. I would have gotten got. Insane. They're really cracking down on that in Florida, so it's just something that you have to be careful about. You know, don't go down the highway willy-nilly going 130, 150 miles an hour. You know, just have your little spurts of fun and then call it off. You know, that's about it. Why was there a couch on the side of the road? What the hell? That's one thing I like about this car. You really do not have to floor it everywhere you go to have fun. You can just kind of mash it a little bit. You're good. That's what I like. You don't have to be crazy. Looking good. It's late. It's time to go to sleep.